This is the Xiaomi 15 with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. Almost the same hardware as Xiaomi 14s last year, but there are some improvements in the camera domain. Besides the new zoom camera, you can now shoot master cinema with the Xiaomi 15 up to 4K 30 FPS, but this right now is 4K 60. And of course the new chip brings a new ISP with hopefully a new better processing than the Xiaomi 14. So in this video I'm going to be testing the video capabilities of the latest Xiaomi 15. Let me know what you think down below, guys, in the comments, and if you like videos like this you might want to check my full Xiaomi 15 walkthrough. Did it just yesterday. Alright, now let's start running to test the stabilization. Okay, let's try to get close here. I don't want to touch the screen for autofocus. Probably need to do so. Alright. Now, when I'm shooting 4K 60, guys, I can only shoot from the main camera. And of course I have a crop 2, 3 and then up to 6. And of course that isn't great. But when you do 4K 30, you're able to switch all lenses, which means you can use the ultra wide, the 1x main sensor, 2x crop from the main, a 2.6 optical zoom, which is actually the only camera upgrade in terms of hardware, and then also scale this up from the zoom camera a bit higher. But guys, this is the 4K 60. Now let me try to scare those birds. See them fly off. Come on, guys. Jesus, everybody's lazy today. What the hell is going on? Just keep flying. I want to test the camera. Okay. The 4K 60 on Xiaomi 15, guys. Sadly, we don't have sun. It's already almost December, so no sun here, no test for the HD. I would have preferred to have bright sun here to see what the camera will do. And by the way, I'm also not able to switch to the front camera. So the only thing I can do is, besides taking pics, pausing the video, and that's it. One more time, test the stabilization. I'm running, really? Okay. Alright, let's test the focus now. Cool. The main camera is optically stabilized, has autofocus PDF, I think, so it should be quite okay. But enough is enough, and now let me jump to the 4K 30 and show you that sweet lens cycle transition. And here we are, guys. This is the 4K 30. As you can tell, it's choppier. Some might say cinematic, but no, it's not 24 FPS, it's 30. But what are the benefits here? Besides the fact that I can really do everything with the camera. Okay, that's ultra wide. 1, 2, 2.6 engaging with the zoom camera 5, and the maximum here would be 15. Okay, don't expect any miracles with this phone, because there's even not the Pro version where you have better zoom. But nevertheless, we are able to switch all lenses. Ultra wide again, 1, ultra wide, 1, 2, 2.6, 5. And I'm gonna do this quicker so that you can see what happens. Try and cycle all lenses. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. It's not slow, it isn't also that great, but it's acceptable, I do believe. Let's test 4K 30 stabilization. Alright. I cannot change from the back to the front camera here as well, but that's not an issue, unless you want to be able to do so. So let me know what you think down below in the comments, guys. And now I'm going to shoot 4K 30 cinematic mode, master cinema, close to the real human eye. Okay, let's see how much of this is real. And this is now the master cinema mode in 4K 30, and I guess it should be 10-bit. Right, in the master cinema mode 4K 30, you are again limited only to the main camera, 6, 3, 2, so you cannot utilize the other sensors. Let's try to see what happens with stabilization. Okay, not that bad. This is the main camera, 4K 60 FPS. Sadly no way for me to test the HDR. Should be optimized compared to the Xiaomi 14. At least that's what I've seen in some comparison, direct comparison between the Xiaomi 15 and the Xiaomi 14. Alright, so 4K 60 now is a thing, because remember in the past Xiaomi struggled to even get 4K on the front camera, or let's say did it only 4K 30. Now this peak has been climbed and we can officially do 4K 60. Let's start running. Yeah, not that bad. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. So more 4K 60 footage. The autofocus works well. How close can I get? Somewhere like here. Yep, 4K 60 guys. Again, we can only use digital zoom and it looks like this. So if you want to do some zooming on the video, better do 4K 30. And now this is 4K 60 interior video with the artificial lighting. And that's important to test guys, because especially these styles are often problematic for some phones. And we do also have the chance to test how the phone handles the dynamic range. Ideally with sun, but that will work too. So now I'm gonna start running to test the stabilization. Alright. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And again 4K 60. I'm gonna go outside in a darker area. Let's see what the phone will do. Alright, here we are. We are in the dungeons. Xiaomi 15 4K 60 FPS Snapdragon 8 lit. I'll do a slow pan for you guys. The video in the viewfinder looks quite nice. No obvious jitters, no stutters. Let's try to run towards this sign. Try not to get hit by a car. And what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go outside. Maybe here we have an HDR moment, but again there isn't sun, so it's not ideal. Let me start running. Okay, oh my god, it's slippery. Jesus. Okay. Would have been interesting to do this with sun, but I hope in the next days I'll have a chance to probably test this with more sun, so that we can see how the phone handles highlights and shadows. So far so good. Well, let's keep testing, and if you like content like this you might want to watch the other videos. Stay safe.